Welcome back to Crypto University, where you get all the latest content about crypto, NFTs, and the blockchain. Make sure to watch the full video and like it if you want to see more of this content. A quick note, we will never ask for your number or personal information, and we will certainly not contact you on WhatsApp, so please be aware of the scams and the spam comments in the comment section. The next major digital currency to watch is Bitgert. This is following cryptocurrency experts that have examined $BRISE as one of the currencies with significant growth potential. The anticipation is set against a coin that has also been one of the year's most notable performers. Bitgert had already recorded one of 2022's largest advances at the time this article was being written, surpassing what the majority of major players had recorded for the current year. Crypto specialists agree that Bitgert may surpass the market capitalization of the bulk of the main competitors in 2023. This forecast is based on the enormous gains the Bitgert project will deliver over the next few months and what has already been communicated. Numerous developments are on the way that will help the Bitgert currency perform effectively in the future. Only a few of the factors that will cause Bitgert to surpass the major players in 2023 are listed below. Item reception in large. Crypto analysts rank BRISE as one of the most encouraging currencies to watch in part because of the vast amount of things that are being added to the Bitgert biological system. The Brise wallet, Brise swap, Brise marking, Bitgert trade, and the Bitgert BRC20 gazeless blockchain are important components that have already been sent out. The reason Bitgert has performed so well in the market this year is due to the widespread acceptance of these products. It will also be crucial to embrace the provided goods, especially the Bitgert BRC20 blockchain and the Brise CEX, if we want to increase the $BRISE market value in the next weeks. Associations and activities. 1,000 plus projects and 1,000 plus associations will join the Brise biological system, according to the Bitgert Group. Some of these businesses and organizations have already launched, but more will do so in the next few days. Another factor that is anticipated to help Bitgert surpass other large currencies on the market is the widespread acceptance of these groups and activities. Overall, Bitgert has unfavorable developments and the potential to explode, making it the fastest-growing cryptocurrency coin in 2023. In year, this coin may surpass the majority of the major competitors. While previous performance should never be used as a predictor of future results, a look into Bitgert's value history may help by providing us with some key context if we want to either understand a Bitgert cost projection or even create one on our own. Bitgert was valued at around $0.0000003564 when it initially entered the open market in July 2021. From then, it increased in value until reaching an unbroken high of $0.00000404 on August 13, 2021. The token closed the year at $0.0000003399 because of a subsequent deterioration. Up to this point, 2022 has been a positive year for Bitgert, especially given the general decline in the cryptocurrency industry. It peaked on 7 walk at $0.00001849. However, following a series of market falls, it fell to $0.0000002634 on 18 June. When some recovered, it reached a peak of $0.0000000677 the next day after it was announced on September 26 that the currency will be listed on the Huobi exchange. However, the failure of the FTT transaction in November caused BRISE to fall to a low of $0.0000003092 on November 21 until the Bitgert trade's launch, caused it to reach a high of $0.0000004515 on December 7. It was valued at around $0.00000042 on December 8. Projections for Bitgert costs. According to CryptoPredictions.com's BRISE pricing prediction, the coin might finish 2022 at about $0.00000048. At that point, it predicted that the coin may fall to $0.000000 $0.507 by the end of 2023. Crypto predictions predicted that Bitgert may have recovered to $0.000000655 in a year. The website then predicted the Bitgert price for 2025, asserting that the coin may start the year at $0.0000067 and concludes at $0.0000082. According to a Bitgert cryptocurrency price prediction by tech news leader, BRISE might be valued between $0.0000051 and $0.0000053 before the year is through, before averaging $0.000000995 in 2023 and $0.000000187 in 2025. The website continued by estimating the Bitgert cost for 2030, estimating that the currency may average $0.000000604. In a Bitgert token cost projection, Digital Coin Price predicted that the token might end the year between $0.0000036 and $0.0000051. Its predictions showed that BRISE might average $0.000000987 by the end of 2023, likely dropping to $0.14 every year after that, and peaking at $0.000000175 in December 2025. The website also predicted that the least BRISE cost in 2030 would be $0.000000604. It is important to keep in mind that digital currency markets are still quite unpredictable, making it difficult to predict with any degree of accuracy what a coin or token will cost in a few hours, and shockingly, even harder to provide long-term ranges. As a result, forecasters and investigators who use calculations to make predictions are prone to doing so. What do you think of today's video? Comment down below if you have any opinions on the topic. Make sure to watch more informational videos on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and come back for more videos like this one.